Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this one. I hope you guys are well. So this is going to be a really quick video. We're going to take a look at how to install Node onto our platform. So we're going to either go to the URL in the browser, nodejs.org, and you can download the LTS version at this point. I think it's 16.14. And once you download that, you can just follow the instructions and just install that DMG file, and you should be good to go. So I've already done this, and if you want to do this for brew, the command, once you have homebrew installed, check out the tutorial on homebrew to get up and running. You can run this command, brew install node, and that will do the same. You will know when it's done by typing in node-v, and that gives you the version. And currently I'm on this version, version 17.50. If you're using this one, you're on the LTS version. If you're using this one, you are on the current version. So I'm using the current version of Node. I'm actually behind, but if you want the long-term support version, you can go for this one as well. So let's try to update Node if you already have Node running or you want to see how that's done. We'll run a brew update first. So after my update is done, it notified me that I have 3 packages that are need an upgrade. But if you want to update those packages, you just type in brew upgrade. Can't spell, guys. Let's try that again. And what it's upgrading is the version of PHP for me. And it's also updating a version of Node to 17.6. So now if we type in node-v, we should see that we're on the current version that matches over here. And if you want the LTS, you can do that. So if you were following along and you did the DMG file and you downloaded this, then you're good to go. You type in Node, it should be fine. If you ran the homebrew route and you ran into something like I did where you had to actually upgrade, or if you wanted to upgrade, you've seen how that process is done. If you're using Homestead and you followed the Homestead videos, excellent. That stuff is already built in. You don't have to worry about it. So Homestead is an alternative that uses that, and it's just ready to go out of the box. So that's it for this one, guys. And I will see you guys next time. Take care.